Myntri rangbah ke jela konrad ke sangma ulapan pawe ke jingsongu myntri rangbah do kari India Narendra Modi blashim ya karai ban pentri kam ya ke scheme Hills Pride ban kinti we ke jela reulum ke blashak ta ha ke jing ai jing mur ke 16 Finance Commission ha ke be day bat ke jing be pisa ki jela habai kran ha ke jing yalang patba mentak sngi lai potrik uleber aja apenri ho Umsning Riboy district ban bu mau nongrim be day bat ke scheme Riboy Sil Dream myntri rangbah ulaong ba kathong jang ka sarkar ka long ban pen poi ki kampan roi she ki pajba kani ki scheme ka long ban wan rai ki boi thamai komno ban thir ksai ha ka ba dei pat ka thain jain hari bhoi district ulaong ba ya kani ulak ya kren bat ki pajba ka Umsning ha unai weng arachar apusan ban mentala la ban bu yau mau nongrim ban sedang pentre ya ka scheme myntri rangbah ulaong ba nakadaw jang ka jing bambiang ka rukom aibam ka jing bambiang jakari ya ki knyang kejing penmi ksai ryndia kalong ka beduna ba ksai ryndia lawan thiet tat do da ki briun asam tang apdeng news pa bat hadu praspa tingka shikilo kijing wan ra ya kani ke scheme kalong ban ai jing mento ya ki nyaw achar ngut ki bari ya uknyang ryndia bar kejing rap ka sarkar ha ka benta ka baning kong kalong khat ar spa ngut na ki arpo artli ki jakari knyang ki badan habaro santli ki blok bar kejing rap kalong lai pho achar tingka na ka benta uwei po uwei unong ri knyang kejing lot ya kani ke scheme kalong sau point rupoi klor hendre kejing mi kani ka kamri knyang na kani ke scheme ha ka shisnam kan kocha ka shi folklor tingka ha kani ke sngi myntri rangbah ula sam ru ki jinge rap cheki pajba ha ka jinge dan lang myntri penroi nong kendong upa sustenance soton UMLA kani ke chaka u Dr. Silingdo UMLA kanong po upa Meryl Bonds lembat ki he sarkar kilaya dan lang
for this very, very important decision that was taken by them to ensure that the Prides of the Hill program was launched, and that will help small states and hill states like ours to overcome the financial problem because of the new recommendation of the Finance Commission. So friends, once again I congratulate all of you. I am very happy that apart from the mini stadium and the e-rice program, we also have the Aspire and the program for the online counseling and coaching, and that is something that also will help the students at large. So I congratulate all the stakeholders who have been involved in making that a possibility. 17,000 for them to construct those huts where they can grow the cocoon. They have already been trained by MSSDS. They will get the spinning yarns, what do you call this? The machines, the spinning machines, it's right there, where they can spin their own yarns. And where they used to sell the cocoon for 700, today they are selling for 3,500, the processed yarns. And that yarn then will be sold to our textile entrepreneurs, and the money will go to the farmers directly, and it will remain within the ecosystem right here. And we have calculated that after spending 4.5 crores for this system to be put in place, we will be getting back returns of almost 10 crores per year. Every year 10 crores of additional fund is going to come, not to government, but to all the beneficiaries who are sitting out here. And these are the kind of interventions that are going to make the difference. It's the same thing. Everything is the same. There is nothing different. We're doing it, as I always say, just doing it differently. It's the same cocoon, but we are adding value to it. It's our same people, but they are now trained. It is the same yarn, but it's going to be now made here in Meghalaya.